Student, as you know that in previous video we have completed simple future tense, future continuous tense and future perfect tense. This is our last video regarding to the tense, and in this video we will learn about future perfect continuous tense. So students, let's start. Future perfect, future perfect, continuous tense, future perfect continuous tense. The future perfect, the future perfect continuous tense, is used to express an action. You know very well all the tenses represent the combination of action and time. So it is also express an act which is in progress, over the period of time before its completion at some point in the future. Have a look the definition. Perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense is used to express an action. You know very well all the tenses are used to express an action with different timing. So it is also used, it is express an action which is in progress, which is continuing over the period of time before its completion at some point in the future. Means future perfect continuous tense is used for an action which is complete in a certain time in the future. It will be in progress, जो कि प्रोग्रेस में रहेगा और फ्यूचर में कंप्लीट होगा. एंड नाउ वी विल लर्न द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस अफर्मेटिव. Now we will write down the structure of future perfect continuous tense, affirmative. So let's start. Structure. Firstly, what will become? Your subject. Then after, your future expressing word. Will oblique shall. Will oblique shall. And then after perfect expressing word, that is have. In future perfect continuous tense, we will use have with singular and plural both the subject, and after that been. Will have been plus MV4 means verb with ing, and then object, and after object what will become? Since oblique for. Since for point of time and for period of time plus time expressing word. Have a look the structure again. Firstly, we will take subject, then after will oblique shall means anyone from will or shall according to the subject. If we will use I or we, so I kept here there shall, then otherwise will. Then after have plus been plus MB4 plus object, and after that since oblique for, and then after your time expressing word. Now we will frame sentence. For example, firstly we will take subject I. So what will become? Will or shall? Shall. I shall, then have. I shall have. After what will become? Been. I shall have been. Then MD4. I have taken right, so it will become writing. I shall have been writing a letter. I shall have been writing a letter. Since. I have taken since. So what will be used? Since is used for expressing point of time. So since 2:00. Since 2:00. Number 2. Now I will frame another sentence. Another sentence. She. So she will. Now what will become? Have. She will have. Then after been. She will have been singing a song. Now I will take your period of time for 2 hours. Have a look. She is your subject, then after will oblique shall, after that have, then been, then MV4. This is your object, your period of time, and this is your time expressing word. I hope you have understand. Now we will learn the structure of future perfect continuous tense negative. negative, negative. So let's start the structure of negative. We will follow the structure of affirmative by adding not. So firstly, subject plus will oblique shall plus have plus not. This is your negative sentence, that's why we have to add not. Then after been, we always keep not between have and been. have और been के बीच में ही हम not लगाएंगे फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस में. प्लस MB4 plus object, and then what will become? For oblique since for point of time and for period of time, plus time expressing word, Now we will frame sentence according to the structure. For example, firstly what will become? Tell me what will become. So firstly we will take subject. I have taken subject Seema. Seema is my subject. Now what will become? Will or shall? We will take will. Seema will. Then after have. Seema will have. And I have told you now that we will put not between have plus been. have और been के बीच में हम not लगाएंगे नेगेटिव सेंटेंस में. Seema will have not been. Seema will have not been reading. Then take object according to your MB4. A book. Seema will not have reading a book. Now since or for anyone. Since. Now your time expressing word 9 o'clock. Your sentence is completed. Now we will frame another sentence for it. They. I have taken subject, then after will. They will. And then have. They will have. And have you remembered that we will put not between have plus been. They will have not been walking in the street for 2 hours. So remember the structure again. Firstly we will take subject, then after will oblique shall, and after that your perfect will oblique shall is your future expressing word, and then after we will take perfect expressing word, that is have been, have, then after not, and after that been, and then your continuous expressing word, which is your MB4. We always use MB4 in continuous tense. And then after your object, since oblique for, and in the last time expressing word. Now we will learn the structure of interrogative of future perfect continuous tense. Interrogative. You know very well there is two structure in interrogative sentence. First is question start with helping verb, and second one question start with WH word, means question word, and we can add not also in interrogative sentence, that is called interrogative negative sentence. So let's start to learn it. Firstly we will follow the structure. First structure, firstly future expressing word, will oblique shall. Your question start with helping verb, then after subject plus have plus been, have plus been plus MB4 plus object, and then since oblique for oblique since, and in the last time expressing word, time expressing word, and then question mark. Now we will follow the structure. Question start with WH word. So we will repeat this structure again after adding WH word. Have a look. Firstly WH word. Now we will follow this structure. What will become? Will oblique shall. Will oblique shall plus subject plus have plus been plus, what will become after that? MB4 plus object plus, it is looking like a train now, for oblique since. You will write down the use of for and since in your comment box. Okay, for or since plus time expressing word, time expressing word, and then question mark. If you want to change the interrogative structure, the structure of future perfect continuous tense interrogative in interrogative negative, so you will add not after have, means will oblique shall plus subject plus have plus not, then after been plus MB4 plus object plus since oblique for plus time expressing word in the last question mark. Let's frame the sentence. For example, firstly we will write down helping verb. Will. Mohan is your subject. Will Mohan have? This is your perfect expressing word. Have plus been plus and before. Will Mohan have been writing a letter? Writing a letter since 2 o'clock. Since 2 o'clock. Then question mark. Okay. Now we will frame an interrogative sentence with not. Why will Sania have? In future perfect continuous tense negative sentence we will put not after have. So we will put here not. Why will Sania have not been reading the book for 30 minutes? Question mark. So student, I hope you have understand your last tense, that is future perfect continuous tense. Thank you and have a nice day.